Hey friends, it's Rachel here. I'm back with another video. If you can hear that, that is like a bird screaming outside of my door, and he's screaming every 2 seconds. Phenomenal. Anyway, just thought I'd bring you all along on a work day in my life as a digital organizer. I'm working from home right now, but I'm based out of Washington, D.C. I work on progressive politics and yeah, digital organizer. I'll just show you kind of everything in my day. So basically what I work in is just comfy clothes. I just have these trousers from Princess Polly. This is just, I think, a Forever 21 tank top. And then I just have my jewelry, which I always have on. I put a little bit of makeup on just for Zoom and everything. But yeah, I'm just super comfy. I typically keep my slippers on all day. Now I'm just gonna go make some coffee, and then this drink I have every day. It's like a health, this bird's amazing. Really, every 10 seconds on the dot. I'm just gonna go make my coffee and my green drink. Okay, coffee and drink already. I'm just gonna be working in my office. I'll just show you all it really quickly because why not? So it actually, you enter from the kitchen and that's what you see first, all of my plants. And then you turn, there's my desk, more plants, books, plants, couch for napping. Mirror. I also do my YouTube videos in here, so that's useful. But yeah, this is my table. Coffee, green drink. I put extra psyllium holes in it today, and now it's all weird consistency. I'm not sure about that. Anyway, so I'm actually just gonna get started with work now that I have my drink and my coffee. So this is actually aloe vera, chlorophyll, and psyllium husks. I know chlorophyll was really trendy on TikTok. But my family's been drinking this stuff since before y'all were born, and me, before I was born. Anyway, it's good for your digestive system. I put too many psyllium holes in today though, and it makes it thick. Don't go overboard with the psyllium holes. And coffee, delicious. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started on work. The first things I have to work on are our influencer program. So I have a lot of people, I have someone who sent me their unlisted videos, so I'm gonna review that, make sure it is what we wanted. And then I have to get payment processing for them, so they have to send me their documents, and I wanna get that moving. So I haven't even watched the video, and I responded and I was like, hey, can you get me your documents? Because I want y'all to get paid. And then there's a few other people who were interested, but there's no way that we're negotiating. So hopefully we can work with them, but I'm just not sure. Let's see. This, I have to set up her payment. There's quite a bit happening. So I have quite a bit to do on the influencer program. And then I have to put some data together for a call that's happening at noon. On our like volunteer program. So that's what I'm doing. So I guess influencer marketing doesn't really work with digital organizing. It does work with digital organizing. You can organize people using influencers, but it's not like, this would be a different job somewhere else, but we are new to this, so I volunteered to do it because I have been contacted by brands for this channel, so I was like, I have some experience, I guess. So yeah, and it's working out pretty good. But yeah, so then after that, we have a lot of events coming up, so I have a lot of emails to write and then schedule for those days. We have Vice President Kamala Harris at one of our events this week. It's gonna be really exciting. It's all live, unfortunately, or else obviously we'd be there, but still very exciting. So I have to set up the emails and texts that are going to go out for that to make sure everyone who is interested ends up going. But yeah, so that's what's up right now. I am just going to get to work on that. Let's get started. Okay friends, so I have just finished a big chunk of work, put together a bunch of data. So basically what I do during the week is I'll send out broadcast text messages for events, for things that are happening, and invite our lists that we acquired through ads to these events. And obviously I have to track how well this tactic is performing. You know, if no one is clicking on the broadcast text, then we should change tactics. So I track all the data, and that's what I typically do on Mondays, because I have a whole bunch of new stuff, data from the previous week. So I do all of that in preparation for my call that is at 12:30 with the people that are involved. But yeah, so I am now just gonna have lunch. So I'm gonna be on my lunch break. During my lunch break, I usually either just sit with Jake, but I don't know where he is. I also like to work on my YouTube stuff sometimes. Like I'm emailing with a brand who's I've worked with before. If you follow me, you know that I've had like a few sponsored posts with people, which is really cool since I'm really small. And it's even cooler that I really like the products. And I do feel like it, you know, has the right target with my audience, being majority female, around 25 to 34. And this brand that I've worked with is like really great. I've had a great experience with them, and they want to do like a bigger contract, and I'm just like excited, but also I don't want to get into like trouble, you know, like I don't want to end up in like a contract that it isn't beneficial for me. So I'm really trying to do my research before I respond and come back with like a really well researched understanding of what it is they're offering. But yeah, so I'm just gonna read a little bit about that while I eat, and then back to work. Hello. I'm tired. I'm like crashing. I am always crashing. Actually, I'm always tired. But yeah, I just sent a few more emails. There's a creator that we're interested in working with, but I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so that'll be fun. Is it in my bag?
I don't think so. I went down further.
Oh my god. Did you find it?
No. They went down that far.
Okay, so I just got off my call. Meeting went well. I'm actually gonna call my best friend right now during work hours because I'm a terrible employee. Just kidding. No, it's because I hired her on as a fellow. She had a great resume, and so yep, hired her on. So she's working with me now on the influencer program and Facebook initiative that we're doing. So yeah, just gonna call her now and have our meeting for the week, and probably do some work together. Okay, I just got off a call with my manager and one of our fellows, who's not Kathia. It was a good call. Just talked about data and our finance department being really slow. But yeah, I'm just gonna have lunch. Just gonna have some bolognese, which is gonna be dank. Just made some pasta. I've got lunch. Y'all, this water looks so gnarly. It honestly looks like there's like mold spores at the bottom, but that's nothing but health, so looks gross, but can't complain. Anyway, just gonna have lunch now and then get back to work after. Hello friends, so it is 4:43, almost done with work. I just have a few more emails to send. My email's like not sending emails out for some reason. It's just not working. But I'm gonna work for another 15 minutes and finish off the day, and then I'm gonna head off to volunteering. I volunteer down in DuPont Circle at a addiction club, like where people go to solve their addiction problems. I don't want to give too many details, just, you know, break the rules, but I volunteer there. I sell drinks, I greet people, I make sure everything's clean and in working order. I go every other week, and yeah, so I'm just gonna finish working, change into some comfy clothes, and then y'all can come with me. Okay, also it is now 5:10 p.m. and I actually have to leave now for my volunteering. I'm just wearing some comfy clothes, this Ramones top from Target, green little biker shorts from Free People, and my Naturalizer shoes. But yeah, I'm pretty tired, but let's get going. Hello squad, so we're now in the car, just gonna head off to DuPont Circle in Washington, DC. That's where I volunteer. Again, it's a like addiction recovery club, and I volunteer there every other Monday. So yeah, I'm excited to be back. It shut down during, but excited to be back and see people who are familiar to me and who are doing good with their lives. Just really happy. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive and then park nearby the club and just walk like 10 minutes to get to the club. It's super packed behind me right now. But yeah, that's what I do on Mondays after work. Okay friends, I'm at the club. I just pulled up to DuPont Circle. Looks cute. But yeah, we're just gonna head on out. I'm a little bit early, so I might just walk around the neighborhood for a little bit. I also just put in an order for dinner, because I'm gonna have to eat soon. So that's what's up. Hey friends, so I am just gonna head out right now to go get some dessert. I'm gonna watch The Bachelorette while I'm here, and I need dessert for that, you know? So just gonna go to Larry's Ice Cream. I've been here like on many dates, actually with Jake as well. But yeah. Girl, I am living for this dessert. You literally cannot go wrong with this dessert, except for he didn't heat it up well enough. But I have milk, and I'm gonna watch The Bachelor, and really, what can go wrong tonight? I'm super excited. I love it. Let's go. Okay, so we're finally leaving. It's just about 10. DC's feeling pretty quiet right now, but yeah, I'm just getting in my car, gonna call my brother because he called me earlier and he's like, Rachel, what are your symptoms of fibromyalgia? And like, I don't have fibromyalgia, but I feel like I have something similar. So I'm gonna call him back and see what's up with the little brother. And then I'm gonna head home. Y'all, I'm like sweating. It's like 95 degrees here right now. Head home, I'm gonna finish watching The Bachelor and then chill with Jake. But yeah, that's kind of my work day in my life, I guess. This is what my Mondays look like. Work, volunteering. And it's overall a really good day. I love volunteering. I love being helpful to other people, and I love like giving a certain part of my day to just be of service to others, and it just really makes my day so much better. So yeah, anyway, thanks everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Goodbye.